Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make restaurant-style ranch dressing. We will begin by gathering all the necessary fresh ingredients. Next, we will combine the dry seasonings, ensuring they are well mixed before incorporating the wet components. Achieving that signature creamy texture requires specific mixing techniques, which I will explain. Finally, we will discuss the crucial chilling process that allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. To create this delicious dressing, you will need 1 cup of high-quality mayonnaise, which forms the rich and creamy foundation. For that authentic tangy kick, incorporate 1/2 cup of fresh buttermilk. Don't forget the fresh herbs. Finely chopped dill, chives, and parsley are absolutely essential for bright, vibrant flavor. Finally, a 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder will provide that savory depth we all love in a classic ranch. Now let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, vigorously whisk together your 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of buttermilk until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley and 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Finish by seasoning with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper for perfect balance. Once your ranch dressing is perfectly mixed, transfer it into an airtight container. This step is crucial for maintaining freshness and flavor. Now, the most important part, refrigerate the dressing for a minimum of 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all those wonderful herbs and spices to truly meld together, creating a more complex and satisfying taste. The dressing will also thicken slightly, achieving that ideal restaurant consistency. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.